Are you ready though?
Should I be scared?
But are you ready?
I stay ready. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Our channel.
He have his own channel. Tell him, get in the comments and tell him to go post some videos.
Couples YouTube.
No, bye. First of all, he filmed a Turks and Caicos vlog and he needs to be editing that.
Lies.
Period. Anyway, we are in ATL. We came here for some business.
Women in the caviar.
In the world we are, cause we've been all over the world. Anyway, we're in ATL. We came here for business, but we have like the rest of today to just be a little bit of a tourist. And
Not much of the day left, but we'll try.
yeah, cause we leave tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
But we are in, what is it called?
Pond
City Market.
Yeah.
So we probably won't get to do a lot, but it's gonna be an ATL vlog.
I have some stuff planned.
Yeah, it's all his plan. I don't know what's going on, but Pond City Market is the first stop.
I have it on lockdown.
Alright, Papa, we'll see. First of all, I'm so happy it's a little bit warm today because it was cold yesterday. So now I get to be like this. Atlanta weather is a little bipolar, but I like this bipolar. Merry Christmas, you filthy animal! Y'all know where that's from?
No.
What? Home Alone?
Oh, really? I didn't know that.
Minus 10 points.
That one in bourbon barrels. It's very sherry heavy, you know.
So we got 2 beers, minus a cider. It's called the Blake St. Cherry, and his is straw straight. What did he say? Straw? Oh my god, it's a Belgian beer.
Yeah.
We just said you're not gonna mess it up.
And we did exactly that.
But we're gonna try it now.
Right.
We should probably sit somewhere.
Yeah. Okay, so
This is the taste
test. You wanna go first?
Let's go together. It's nice.
Mine-
This is cherry.
Mine reminds me of like a lighter Guinness.
Lighter. I thought you
Yeah.
said it was strong.
I mean, like the Guinness is normally like a thicker taste, like a more malted taste.
Oh.
Is malted the word? Anyway,
It does have a malt. He did say that.
yeah. So it reminds me of like a
It does.
Guinness.
I like it.
Look at this one. That's nice.
Yeah. Really nice. Nice and sweet.
Yeah, that's nice. I'd drink that more often.
So we are here right now. Oh, you should go on top of there too.
Yeah, that's what I was telling you.
I thought you were talking about the belt line thing over
No, we're gonna do the belt line, but we're also gonna go on top here.
Ooh, that looks nice.
I said you have it on lockdown, yeah, so how do you?
So we found a place that sells oysters. I feel like I'm obsessed with oysters at this point. So I'll try it.
On to the next one. You believe that?
think so.
Cap. Where are we?
We are at Bar Vegan, and we are trying, it's not on this side, chicken tacos. Well, jerk chicken vegan, jerk chicken, fake chicken tacos.
So vegan tacos is alright.
That's all you give it? That was actually very good.
It was good. I will not give up my chicken.
He can even tell the difference. He didn't even know. He's like, how is this not chicken?
I know it's soya.
You just discovered that.
Did you know soya is not good for men?
Or anybody really. Hi. We've been eating a lot.
Like who's still faint?
No, I just want to try as much as I
Ferris.
can. There's a Mediterranean place downstairs. We'll probably try the falafel. I already know I like falafel. Do you like falafel?
Have I ever eaten falafel? I feel like we had falafel in New York in the train station once. Was that falafel? I don't know it's falafel though.
Yeah, I think you
That was
had it.
falafel?
You could have had shawarma or something else.
The only shawarma. It is 8 past 5. 5:08.
5:08.
Yeah.
8:05.
I say 8 past 5.
Oh, you did 8 past 5.
Yeah.
That Americans don't understand that.
Oh, okay. Well, y'all should go back to school.
Who's y'all?
You in that too? You go to school, eh? I go to good school. I go to school in Barbados and St. Lucia.
I go to good school too, eh?
Eh?
Yes, period. The haters gonna hate.
Yo, you know. In fact, let me just.
Not you that was saying, oh, I lived a privileged life and my school had pool, my school had this.
I mean, Gogo people that still live privileged lives.
Don't make me throw you over. So do you wanna get like 2 sides?
Yeah, sure.
Because we ate so much already. So 2 sides of falafel, please.
I don't think I've ever had this before.
No?
What's this made out of?
Chickpeas. The best.
It's hot. I love. Do there. Flex your pecs. Toupee.
Don't worry, I'll put the clip in the vlog. I feel like chickpeas don't get enough credit.
Why?
But she's that girl. You know how potatoes get a lot of credit? Chickpeas deserve more credit.
Who says potatoes get credit?
What? Potatoes is a versatile queen.
I mean, chickpeas are okay.
They're amazing. I love them. They're great on salads. They're great hummus, falafel. They're great in shawarma. They're great in curry, roti, chickpeas, chana, all that shit. You know what I almost forgot? Chickpeas is that girl in. Guess what?
What?
Doubles. Drops falafel. Doubles.
scooter. Unlock your scooter.
I am wearing a dress.
You ready?
Yes.
Hey. Babe. You got it? Don't go and die there.
So we just did some riding of the electric scooters. That was actually my first time on one of those. It was fun.
It was fun.
So we're going to like a rooftop bar thing
To consume more alcohol.
He's doing well with the planning. Definitely showed me a great time. Her and all of her friends were amazing. It was a really amazing trip. One of my favorite trips.
You ready?
I'm so excited, honestly.
Are you ready though?
Should I be scared?
But are you ready?
I stay ready, born ready, baby.
Alright.
Period. I don't even know where I left off with what I was talking about, but we were on Instagram Live. But right now we're at SkyView, and all of this is all Akim's plan, and he's doing an amazing job so far. This is so gorgeous, and I'm told we got a VIP pod, or is it pod? Whatever it's called, but it's VIP. It's VIP. Okay. So we're headed there now. Come on. Oh, wrong way. Come on. We're just checking in. See if there be a people. Oh, thank you. Take a picture. Sure.
Alright, big smiles. You ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3. On it. Okay, there's one more above you. Look up. Smile really big, okay? Actually, guys, come forward on the green. Look all the way up and smile even bigger, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. You all can check these out after you ride. There you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Come on this way.
This is so nice. Do you want to come next to me, or are you good where you are?
Good where you are.
Oh, this is really pretty down there. So we have a nice view of the city. This was actually a really, really good decision. Thank you, Akim. You did such a great job planning today.
I'm scared of heights.
What the fuck? You're scared of heights, but what you doing? First of all, Akim doesn't know how to swim. He's jumping off boats in Turks and Caicos. You scared of heights? You booking SkyView Ferris wheel? Who does that? Listen in.
I love you, right? We've been together 2 years. And this is the last night I called you my girlfriend.
What?
I want you around.
And from now on, I'm going to call you my wife.
I want
Will you
you
marry me?
around. Say that I want you. Say that I want you.